All right, we're out here on the Fox. Looks like Michael got one. Get a little. All right. First cast too. Bring him in there. Bring him in here. Yeah. On the very first cast. Grab him. Nice. Grab him. Take the hook out.
I think I can.
You think you can? The very first cast. Here, hold on to him. Record this right here. Ready? The very first cast, Michael caught this. Isn't this crazy?
Wait.
No, keep recording. Just look at it. Watch your finger.
You're not taking it back out, right? You're just gonna put it in there until we're done?
No, we're gonna put it back in right away.
Why?
All right, Michael, hold on to your fish. All right, on Michael's first cast, he had this nice smallie. Go ahead and release him. Let me take a picture real quick. Perfect. CPR, catch, picture, and release.
How it looks in the water.
I know, it looks cool. Perfect.
I touched him on the last cast.
All right. Michael just caught another. Mikey just caught another fish. It's a crappie off a 4-inch grub. Crazy. Nice. Take a picture. Hold on. Bam. This is what he caught it off of. All right, Michael, put that back in there. Nice little crappie. Perfect. Oh, not yet. Put him in there, Michael.
I put him in there, and then once I was going up, I was just like this.
Perfect. Nice. Michael just caught this. He got stuck, so we had to move the boat, and while we were moving the boat, he decided to put the thing like out in the water. I'm like, no, it's gonna get stuck, and then bam, right away. Nice one, Michael. Man, we're having a great night of fishing, kind of like a nice walleye here. Little Mikey. You get him? Let's get a good picture of this guy. More sideways. I'm gonna send this about. There you go. Look at me. Yeah. See, this is what I'm talking about. Whoop. Good father-son moments. Having a great day of fishing. Too bad mommy wants us home already. Well, we're gonna keep fishing until they stop biting, right? Whoa! It's gonna bite you. All right, put him back in there. Oh, again. Sorry, guys. I landed right in the net. Okay, let's not get him stuck like that. Throw him out there. There you go. Nice job, Michael. All right, see you later.
Big walleye.
All right, that's our fishing trip of the day, or the evening towards the night. What we catch, Michael? Come on.
2 stripers, couple bass, and a walleye.
Nice. This
and
concludes.
the fish.
Yep, and this concludes our episode.